All right, so we're sitting in traffic. We're on the way to Malibu.
And we got a Pop-Tart.
What kind?
Oreo Pop-Tart.
Why'd you pick that one out?
Because it's my favorite flavor.
Tastes like dessert.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
I'm just going to test it. I just want my stuff.
Okay. Look at all we got. Goldfish, crackers, sandwiches, Pop-Tarts. What did you bring?
Peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Looks like Skittles. Nice. Try and just throw it right in.
Might as well. Woo! Like a balloon.
It's like bubble wrap.
Yes! I like to have messy hair for crazy hair day. I remember having crazy hair day. What's happy hour?
That wine is on sale.
We're at Sunset.
Look at how beautiful this place is.
Espanol. And your turn.
Thank you. Cheers. Thank you. What'd you get?
Mac and cheese. I don't like carrot cake.
All right, so what are you thinking?
Baskin Robbins. If I see a great white shark, it looks like Bruce from Finding Nemo.
All right, so we got the bill. How much is it?
$61.27.
And how much do you think we should tip?
A few dollars.
Okay, so you want to know the trick to tipping?
Yes.
You take the first number, so that's 6, and you double it.
12.
$12, yeah.
$12. Tip is, do I write down the one number above it?
So on the line where it says tip, you write down the tip number.
$12?
Yeah. Perfect. Okay, so then what's the total then?
I'm gonna add it up. $73.27.
Perfect. Who was in that show?
Victoria Justice.
Anyone else?
Jamie Lynn Spears, Britney's sister. She's like 5 or 6. Want shaved ice this time?
Ooh.
Can I get half cherry, half blue raspberry? Yeah. That's what I want.
Aww. All right, shall we sit out here?
Yes, I got a stove. Bad.